What's going on, guys? Welcome to the video. Today we are going to be talking about how you can earn passive income with $0 in the bank account. And believe me, guys, this worked for me as well. I had negative money in my bank account when I tried to earn passive income online, and it worked out pretty well for me. So I think it can work out for you guys as well. Today we're going to go over 4 things I did and also you guys can start doing as well to start earning money online. So let's get right into the video. The old true classic. We're gonna get into affiliate marketing right now. You hear this one all the time. You might not fully understand what it is though. Believe me, when I first started, I had no idea what affiliate marketing was, and I was really confused, like how people were actually able to sell things when they didn't have a following or anything like that. So people don't explain this very well. Affiliate marketing is one of those things that most people try to learn, but nobody really explains it too well. But I'm gonna try to explain it to you guys as easy as I possibly can. So let's try to explain affiliate marketing to you guys right now. Affiliate marketing has been around for a while now, but with the internet, it's really starting to boom even more. So let's talk about what actually is affiliate marketing and how does it work. So basically what affiliate marketing is, it's basically when you advertise someone else's product as an affiliate, and whenever that product is sold with your help, you will earn a cut off of that sale. The way this is used by online businesses is a special link or referral code. So let's say I get into Amazon, for example, which usually accepts you guys. So like I honestly would start with something like Amazon since it's super easy to get accepted into. So once Amazon accepts you, they'll give you a link and basically you'll have your own little store. And you could basically create links out of practically any product on Amazon and get a cut of a sale whenever somebody uses that link and buys a product from, your link. The payout for affiliate varies from company to company, but it can be anywhere from 10 to over 70%. But the great thing is you don't have to invest anything. You don't need to make a product. You don't need to own a store and sell it. All you need to do is find someone to sell the product to. And that's the hard part, guys. I'm not gonna lie. Finding someone to sell that product to is going to be the hard part. But if you can do this part, it's going to pay off a ton. And most people don't know how to do this, so pay attention very closely. On the internet, there are a ton of different ways you can market your affiliate link, and it gets a little complicated, but honestly, guys, it's not too difficult, but many people do it wrong, like I said earlier. So I'm gonna show you guys how to do that real quick, how you are able to market it in the right way. Before we do, I'm gonna talk about something else real quick. Let's talk about one affiliate marketing trick that is going to maximize your income. That is subscriptions, guys. You're probably a paid subscriber of more than a few services yourself, whether it's Netflix, Spotify, or VPN. Well, a lot of these subscription services also allow you to create affiliate links. If someone signs up to one of these services using your affiliate link, you are gonna be getting paid every single month a commission of their subscription. So that's gonna be like passive income just completely for you. So let's get into the right way to market your affiliate link. A lot of people like to take the email marketing approach. For example, if you're selling a subscription service that's suitable for businesses, just email a bunch of small businesses and hope that some of them will be interested in your product. Aside from that, a lot of people like to build an online audience to sell affiliate links. This can be anything like YouTube channel, a blog, social media page. The problem is most people who are a social media presence will post affiliate links that have nothing to do with their content. So the trick here, guys, is to build a following based on a specific niche on one of these social media platforms. If you guys need help, I've built 2 accounts to over 500,000 on TikTok. I'm more than willing to help you guys grow. I actually talk about TikTok on this page, so make sure you guys subscribe. Anyways, I lost track of my thought. But guys, the point is here, use that following you have on whatever social media page you guys got, and then put those affiliate links that have something to do with your page. So for example, if I'm in the fitness niche, I'm not gonna go ahead and post about flower stuff as an affiliate. That doesn't make sense. You wanna have an affiliate link that aligns with the type of content you're posting on your social media page. That's what a lot of people do wrong, is they'll post, they'll have like a totally weird, different niche, and then they'll have an affiliate link that has nothing to do with their niche, and they don't make any money. They're like, oh, why am I not making any money from affiliate? It's because you don't have an affiliate link that aligns with your content. So I hope that makes sense, guys. That's one of the things many people mess up on, is they'll try to make quick money and they'll go with any brand or any affiliate link that turns their way. But the problem is your audience will lose respect for you, and you want to have good, valuable affiliate links that actually align with your content as a content creator, which is what we're going to move on to right now, which is the second best way to make money online passively and with $0, which is content creation. Basically, content creation is when you post content online and it turns into revenue. The 2 main ways people create content online are through blog posts and videos. Here's actually how you can use content creation and affiliate marketing together. You can make a page strictly on product reviews, then put the link to that product in the description, you are gonna make a ton of money if you do this. That means when somebody watches your video and then goes to that description and clicks on that link, you are gonna get paid for their video watch as well as that product purchase. So you're gonna get like a double dip right there. Now, if you're not comfortable with making videos and things like that, you can also make a blog and do strictly product reviews on that blog. Link the product with that affiliate link in your blog at some point after you're done reviewing it. Boom, money like that, easy. But honestly, guys, most creators don't even make that much money from affiliate marketing because they're already making money from something else, and which I'm gonna get into right now. Most creators, especially on YouTube and blogs as well, make a lot of money through Google AdSense, which basically that means when ads play on your video, you are gonna get paid money as well. Same thing with a blog. So if you write a blog and it's on Google, you have Google AdSense, basically people go to your website, they click on your website, they click on your blog, and Google will run ads on your website, and when they click on those ads, you are going to get a portion each time they click on those ads. So it's just going to add up more and more and more. And of course, when you build even a bigger following, you'll then start getting brand deals, sponsorships, things like that that are going to make you even more money. Brands and companies will literally pay you directly from advertising their product, which is going to be really nice for you guys. The more and more you build that following up. Of course, this is something that's going to happen a little later down the line, but it could happen like pretty quick depending on how fast you build that following up. Most people have no idea how to build a following on social media. It's like they just don't know what's going on and they just don't understand how to entertain an audience. So if you guys need help growing on social media, I got you guys. Go ahead and click the subscribe button and the like button. I'm gonna go ahead and teach you guys on this page how to build on any social media platform. I've done it with TikTok, YouTube. I gotta work on my Instagram a little bit, but I have gone viral from Instagram Reels, but I don't feel comfortable enough teaching you guys that yet. But I've done it on YouTube and I've done it on TikTok, and I've kind of known how it works now. So if you guys need help with that, make sure you guys subscribe. I'm gonna teach you exactly how to build a following. And believe me, guys, most people, like I said, do not know how to create content. It's like watching people do it. It's like they're trying to entertain themselves, but in reality, you have to entertain the viewer, and most people are not selfless enough to do that. But if you guys can do that, you will be making a ton of money as a content creator on any platform you choose. All right, let's move into something totally kind of different. You're gonna be like, what the heck? Selling your photos and videos. If you have a phone, you're probably already like an amateur photographer because you take pictures all the time. So this is another way to make that passive income just from taking photos and videos. Did you know taking photos is actually a way you guys can start making money? And most people have no idea that you can make money from taking good photos from your phone. You don't have to have a professional camera or anything. You're just gonna use your phone, especially now with this iPhone, I forget what we're on, iPhone 12 or 13, I don't know. Whatever phone I have is really good quality. I can take a picture and it's like, whew. You can be selling those photos to Shutterstock, Getty Images, or Adobe Stock. These are some of the most popular stock photo services on the internet, and at this point, you've probably seen a lot of their photos with their watermarks, of course. Nothing makes me more mad than when I see, oh, this photo you have to buy. I'm like, oh my God. But guys, people are making money on this. The great thing about stock photos is that they can be literally anything. They can be pictures of landscape, a city scene, or a post stock photo like the ones that often go viral on the internet. And the great thing is, guys, you really don't have to be a professional photographer or anything like that. Just if you see a nice view, make sure you take that picture, or if you can get a relatable situation that some people might use as a footage or video or whatever it is, make sure you take that video. One of the coolest things is some actual stock sites will pay you royalty, meaning each and every time someone buys that photo, or video or footage or whatever it is, you will get commission from that. So it's gonna passively come to you guys. All right, moving on to the fourth and final way you guys can make money with $0 passively is selling homemade items. Selling homemade items in garage sales and other kind of sales has been a neat way to earn some passive income for a long time, but now it's even easier with sites like Etsy. Etsy is an amazing platform that allows you to sell all kinds of different artwork, crafts, whether it's physical or digital. If you have graphic design skills, for example, you can put high quality versions of some of your designs on sale. You don't have to individually make every single design. All you need to do is make it once, and if enough people buy it, you can continue to make money from each and every sale. Some of the top amateur sellers on Etsy are earning hundreds of thousands of dollars every single year, and the best time to start doing things is right now, at least if you're on the creative side. Alright guys, that's gonna wrap up this video. If you guys liked it, leave a like and subscribe, and I just wanna say thank you guys for watching this video. Our goal here is to get you guys successful, that's it, on content creation, on making money online, whatever it is. back when I started all this craziness, I wish I had someone who would guide me through this. So that is my goal, is to help you guys grow, you know, through social media and making money online. Anyways, guys, have a great one, and I'll be back soon to give you guys some more value. Take care.